Hello, Harold. I have, I have succeeded more or less with what I was trying to do. Here in the data screen, here I can see only the installations that have the email that I want. If you see here, there are only 2 installations with my email. That are these 2 with these 2 names. And here I'm only able to see those 2 installations. So this is good. Also here I can see the primary ID. You see if I change the primary ID changes. This is the primary ID of the installation. So when I try to create a new solicitud de asistencia, what I really want to do is here in installation, instead of, I have created this free, I have created by myself, right? And these others are the ones from the edit form. Let me check here, the edit form. I'm getting here from the default ones that the software gives me, no? So what I really want to do is here, instead of having to select from here which installation this solicitud de asistencia is belonging to, instead of selecting here, for example, 21, I want here to select, for example, setting the control, and put here 18. Automatically put here 18. This should be easy, but as this field is expecting a record, not only one data, but it's expecting various data, I've not been able to do it. I think it should be easy, because it's a matter of somehow saying here, being able here to unlock this, and in the default field, I've been trying, for example, this label is level 7, no? So, for example, if I put here level 7 in default, I think it should work, but as this field is expecting a record, it gives me an error, because it's expecting a complete record, not only a text. And also I have tried to from here change, from here change this type of installation, this type, but it doesn't work. If instead of being because as you surely know, this is a lookup. Okay, installation is a lookup, custom is a lookup. But for example, here, problema a solucionar is not a lookup. And here it is not an issue, because if I put here, this is a text that is out of this, no? If I put here whatever I want, it reflects here. Why? Because here I have just linked here in default to text input free dot text. So it gets it and it works fine. So at the end, the issue I have now is to be able to select the default or the data that I have here from here. So I think it should be easy, but it doesn't work. Hope you understand me. Thank you.